No, you know the black bike movement. It's shadow demon set his blood. I said that. This is some vegan bike blood. You know, plant-based bike, green. What's the matter, bro? Yeah. You know I was gonna say that, you know, what's it? Let me move it up. I need a thumbnail pic. What's it? In fact, I think I might need to. I wanted them angled like that. You know, facing each other. Yeah. Yes. Hold on. Yeah, that's a sick pic. One sec. Yeah. Actually, do I need to turn my handlebar in a bit? Right. Yeah. What was that? Bro, I just put a verses in there. You know what I'm saying? You know, for a thingy bob, for a pic. I'll send it to you as well.
Yeah, man, that was sick, that does.
I used to do a little bit of photography still. Only a little bit. But I'm still learning now. Yeah. No, you know the black bike movement. It's shadow demon set his blood. This is some vegan bike blood. You know, plant-based bike, green. You get me? Some plant-based settings. You get me? I want the.
When I first got my bike, I went up a side road off a dead end.
And
there's a couple of jams outside the house. When I spun it round, everybody stopped.
Yeah, they'll get out of there, bro.
My pal said, you know why?
It's
you know,
black.
like a fucking hitman.
Yeah, bro, that's a hit, bro.
You know, like a hitman all in black.
You know when you watch them Chinese films and a man's doing a hit and that and they just pull up on a black ninja blood. It's them things there, bro.
When you said to me like that, I thought, you know what, it makes sense.
Yeah, bro. I'll send you them all. That's why you need selfie sticks, blood. That's why we need selfie sticks. The selfie stick will have it way up, so. You know, if there was someone in that car there that says, yo, come here. You get me? Hold on. Just wipe. You know what it is? A lot of people forget, how powerful to wipe off the lens, bro. You get me? Wiping off the lens is just it's a game changer, blood. Let's have a try. No, it doesn't matter if my bike's not in there. Fuck it.
That's better. Yeah, man.
Yeah.